redefining success. This is looking for a better version of you. You might be successful person, or you might be struggling to get success, and your first success is pending right now. We can say that success is nothing, but it is a process. When you start to accomplish something, you have a certain goal, like I want to achieve that. When that goal is achieved, you feel that you have successfully achieved that goal. But there are persons who have some ultimate goals. Like I've seen the movie Saina yesterday. In this, Saina Nehwal was the hero of the movie, a badminton player. She has a dream, or her mother has a dream, that she will play for India and she will be number one badminton player of the world. As the story goes, all the struggles and all the hard work which she puts in, she achieved to a certain status, a certain level. She was number one player of the world. Now this is the time she has everything. She has a big house, she has big money. Now she is a big name. At that point of time she got complacent. She was not paying attention what she was dreamt of. Now her goal shifted from number one, from being number one player of the badminton, to doing advertisements and going parties and all over the stuff which a youth can do. In this, the circumstances changed. She got injured and her feet got injured. Then she realized what she is doing, that I was not trained, or I was not supposed to do that, what I am doing. I was here for something else. That was the point. She started to rethink about herself. And then she realized that what I have done to my career. At that point of time, she get back to her coach. Her coach advises her that it is not that for successful, it is not to get successful, you have to add something to your life. It is how much you can leave to get that success in your life. This is the time where Saina rearranged herself, and then she started training, and after finally she beat the number one player of the world, and then she became number one. So the story says us that every time you feel that you have achieved something, you have so much of money, you have so much of property you have accumulated, there is something which you can read, there is something for which you can rediscover yourself. Rediscovering yourself is a process. You have to do the things which are basics to life. Like the first thing is you have to live in present. There is no past, there is no future. Only the thing is present. Think, what are you doing right now? Is it worth doing for that goal which you have achieved, which you have think about? Suppose if you want to run 100-meter race, or you want to build body, so what are you doing? Is it adding any value to that particular goal or not? This kind of thought process you need to be successful, or redefining success. Success is nothing, or redefining the success is nothing. It is a process in which you find a better version of yourself, which will be, which is, thank you.